The Cairo, one of 7 ironclad vessels built by river engineer James B. Eads at shipyards in Carondelet, Missouri, and Mound City, Illinois, became the world's first victim of an electrically detonated torpedo. With no loss of life, its 800 tons sank in 6 fathoms of muddy Yazoo water. In 1956, researchers led by National Park Service historian Edwin C. Barth pinpointed the Cairo's forgotten location. 3 years later, divers confirmed this research. The first evidence revealing its unusually good condition was documented as the pilot house broke to surface in September 1960, followed by the recovery of an 8-inch smoothbore cannon complete with carriage. From the pilot house floor and from silted-in hatches, many well-preserved artifacts were recovered. 100 years rolled back as the Cairo yielded its priceless contents.